Play a little game of whack fuck here.
Wait, why? No.
Whack!
No loader bite. This guy.
Oh. That's gold right there.
Right? There. Jeez, like I'm expecting buttons. I'm expecting buttons on this thing, but you don't need it to. You don't got to put it in anywhere. You just leave it in your pocket.
Oh. We've been trying to contact you about your car's extended warranty. You qualify for an extended vehicle warranty.
You know, I had one call my work phone one day, and I was playing with them. They were like, "Yeah, what make and model?" And I was like, T88. Whatever truck it was. I think I was driving a Kenworth or something. And then they hung up on me.
Dude, what make and model? Okay, so it's a Universal ID 10T. Tim overflowed with joy.
Joy.
Skitter, Peter.
The blooper reel. Oh. This guy. Now watch out. He might get you.
I'm not gonna pick on him. I don't know him well enough.
Hey, at least like wipe all of it off now. We're used to having the bag there. All right. Squeegee.
I think you might need a hose.
Should I leave him like that?
Squeegee. Oh, that's rude.
I tried. Look at him, getting pampered. He's kind of acting like a cat. It's weird. Unintentional delay. Gosh, such a paper does never work.
Yep, no, it'd be good. Oh my God, you left it soapy.
I think we'll go by
Did they wait for Tim? A little better. Maybe it was the gloves.
All right. All these shenanigans are really good on the videos. In real time, though?
Yeah, it just doesn't like me. I can't get a...
Well, yeah, this soap sucks.
Oh, no, you could have warned me.
You're the one who put it on my face. So now I'm sharing the experience with you now.
My hand is wet, my glove won't go on.
This thing's got a butt warmer. Yes, seat warmer.
It's got an ass warmer. Alright, let's go. I didn't mean to do all that. Tim went out the other entrance.
I just saw Tony pop on out, so I was like, all right, we're good.